React Native. How can we create a mobile Ludo board with React Native? This is very simple application. You can see two devices in your screen. One is for mobile phone and another is for tablet. This is the Android emulator I am using. If you want to use iOS emulator, you can search for iOS emulator also. Now how can we make this application? You can get all the instruction from a React Native document. Search for React Native Expo and then click on this official page. Here you will get all the instruction how to get started with Expo CLI. You can get started with this command npx create expo app and then your project name. Suppose awesome project. It will set up your initial file from where you can get started. This is the first step, and in the second one, as I am using Android emulator, I need to download Android emulator. You can search for download Android emulator and visit official page. You can easily download from here. Now you can open Android Studio. You need to create a device from here. I have already created two devices. To create a device, you can click on this create device and then just select your preferable device. You can choose what device you like and click on finish. It will create device for you. You can click on this play button to play this device. It will take time, so let's wait for it. So this is the Android emulator ready for you, but I always use terminal to open this emulator. You don't need to open this Android Studio to open this device. What you can do is go to file and then project structure and then SDK location. Here you can get the path of your SDK location. Just go to this URL. You can see emulator application here. Using this emulator, you can open your device. Open your command prompt. Change directory to that path. Now using emulator -avd, your device name. I have already opened my device, so I will not click on enter. Let me show you this one. You can clearly see here emulator -avd and my device name separated by underscore. This will open my device. This way I have opened my two devices. Now let's deep dive into the coding part. As I have already mentioned, to get your initial code, you can use this command. Now to make a Ludo board, if you know HTML and CSS, you will find this code very easy. In HTML, you can use a div to create a division. In the same way, in this React Native, you can use a view tag. You can also use CSS. I have first made this project with HTML and CSS, and then I did convert this into React Native. I will provide this code in video description. You will find this code very easy. My main motive for this video is to guide you how you can get started and to provide you my project so that you can look into this project and gain some knowledge. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I will meet you in the next one. Have a good day.